could there be life even after death for our sun? Just maybe. I mean, for example, light itself will be travelling out in all directions across the cosmos, even long after our sun has stopped producing new light. That's because it takes time. So a galaxy 10 billion light years away will still be receiving information from our distant sun, even after its death. Sure, that kind of counts. But what about this? You see, when the red giant sun becomes a white dwarf star, much, much smaller, it will lose a lot of elements out into space. And those escapees might find their way into a distant nebula that produces a new star or a new planet, or perhaps even new life out of the elements created by our sun today. That could be a way for life, for death to create new life. Okay, sure. What about this crazier one? What about a white dwarf star orbiting around another star, which is younger, and the white dwarf, using gravity, steals away elements from the younger star and uses those new elements to reignite its nuclear fusion process and technically come back to life? That actually happens. We can see it happening right now. Not with our sun, but maybe in the future, when our sun is a white dwarf star, it could do the same. That's a little bit out there. It's quite unlikely. But there is a fourth possibility that is much more within our reach. You see, you and I, ourselves, are children of the sun. So our descendants, if we work together and we get smart enough, we could build a future where life could exist all over the universe. It's within our reach. All we've got to do now is reach it. So after all, we are children of the sun.